Physical spaces are very important. When I was at University of Manitoba, one of the busiest places on campus was the library. And it was busy because it was a place, they had Starbucks and everything else there, but it was busy because it was a comfortable social space for people to connect. So I think any means by which we connect with others for social, for intellectual, information purposes will always be important. And so there's a role for physical space, there's a role for online spaces. The challenge becomes, how do you balance these various options that you have available? Should schools be the kinds of facilities they are now, little cubicles designed and closed in, or should we have more open spaces that are driven for socialization and interactions around complex ideas? And how do we balance? Should a student be going to school 5 days a week in a physical space, or should they be going, for 5 or 8 hours a day, or should they be going 2 times a week, and then 3 days a week would be in various online social spaces or virtual worlds or whatever else? I think those questions haven't been addressed yet. Some educators are starting to ask them, but our education system is, any of the big systems of society, government, education, healthcare, they're tightly integrated. They're integrated with funding, they're integrated with legal guidelines, they're integrated with expectations of a society, they're integrated with something as simple as both parents being able to work. With children at a young age, you send your children to school, both parents can work. So these systems are so integrated that you can't change one without causing a ripple or a cascading effect on the other systems. So in that regard, the potential of reform is currently somewhat limited by the difficulties that we have with the existing systems that we